The Chennai Super Kings take on the Gujarat Titans today at the Narendra Modi Stadium, where they famously lifted the fifth IPL trophy in their history after Jadeja smashed 10 runs of just two deliveries in the last two deliveries. So today, CSK take on the Gujarat Titans, needing a win to keep their playoffs hope alive. So let's take a look at the preview for today's game.
It's time for us.
Head to head wise, both teams are equal. Six games have been played between these two teams. Gujarat Titans won the first three games and CSK have won the last three games. So, head to head wise, they are equal, but Gujarat Titans are virtually out of contention. So, they have nothing to lose, which makes them a dangerous side because when they have nothing to lose, they might go out all guns blazing and potentially pose a threat to CSK's qualifying chances. CSK need to work on their batting, especially with Ajinkya Rahane. He has not fired this season at all. He's been off color compared to last season. So I think he needs to work on his batting. He's struggled for timing this season entirely. CSK will also be without their key players Matisha Patirana and Mustafizur Rahman. Both of them have done well for CSK this season. Mustafizur Rahman has left for national duties and Matisha Patirana has been called back by the Sri Lankan board. He's left for Sri Lanka to get treatment for his injury. But with players who played last game like Mitchell Santner, Simranjit Singh and Tushar Deshpande especially doing well, I think CSK will not miss them in the bowling, but their batting needs to work out. Darren Mitchell has shown that he can bat and he has shown flash of brilliance. He scored a 50 was the Lucknow Super Giants and he scored 30 odd against the Punjab Kings. He was looking set in Dharamshala, but he got out rather to a controversial umpire's call decision against him. Uh, Shivam Dube's form, especially in the last two games, he's got out for golden lucks in both the games against the Punjab Kings. That might be a cause of concern because he was looking very good till the selection. After the selection was announced, he's got two first ball ducks. So I think it's a slightly a minor blip. I don't think this might be a major setback. This happens once in a while when you're going well. So I think it won't be major concern for the Chennai Super Kings. If Rutraj Gaikwad, Daryl Mitchell, and Shivam Dube play well, I think CSK can easily get past 200, especially if Rutraj plays the kind of knock he played against Lucknow Super Giants. So let's take a look at the probable 11 for both these teams. Let's start off with the Gujarat Titans, who will field, I think, Vidhiman Saha will be the wicketkeeper, Shubman Gill, Sai Sudarshan, David Miller, Asmatullah Omarzai, Rahul Tewatia, Shah Rukh Khan, Rashid Khan, Sai Kishore, Noor Ahmed, and Mohit Sharma. So in terms of CSK, their probable 11 will be Ajinkya Rahane, Rutraj Gaikwad, Daryl Mitchell, Shivam Dube, Moeen Ali, Ravindra Jadeja, MS Dhoni, Mitchell Santner, Shardul Thakur, Richard Gleeson, and Tushar Deshpande. So if you win the toss in the Narendra Modi Stadium, I think you should definitely bowl first because this is a flat surface and has aided the batsman in the last two seasons. So I think if you win the toss, you should bowl first, especially with the dew coming in late as well. So I think chasing will be easy because we also saw Royal Challengers Bangalore chase down 216 overs against the Gujarat Titans in the same venue. So I think if you win the toss, you should definitely bowl first. So with all this, I am leaning towards a CSK victory, and yeah, I am leaning towards a CSK victory because let's be real, Gujarat Titans have looked clueless this season, especially with Mohit Sharma also being out of form. He also considered the most expensive bowling figures in IPL history, none for 73 against the Delhi Capitals. Their bowling also looks a bit of off color, and so is their batting as well. So I am leading towards the CSK victory. Comment your predictions down below, and until a good video, this is me signing off. Bye.